Welcome to Teklay's vlog. We're going to cook strawberry jam. So mga kateks, napakasimple lang ng paggawa ng strawberry jam. Let's do it! But before we start, let me share to you the strawberries' health benefits. 1. It regulates blood pressure. 2. Boosts the immune system. 3. Fight bad cholesterol. 4. Anti-aging. 5. Anti-cancer. And 6. It's anti-inflammatory. So, wala ka nang hahanapin pa. Kompleto na. We only need 2 ingredients. We need 1 cup of sugar and frozen strawberries. Syempre, pwede rin ng fresh kung meron. So, ito na nga mga ka-text. So, ilagay natin ang ating strawberries sa isang casserole. And then, let's add cup of sugar. Dito, ang ginamit kong sukatan is 1/2 cup of sugar. Kaya 2 cup ng 1/2 ang ginamit ko. In summation, 1 cup pa rin siya. And then, isa lang na natin ang ating mixture. Kailangan low fire lang ang ating gagamitin. At dahan-dahan lang ang paghalo dito. Hintayin nating dahan-dahang kumulo ito. Ayan, unti-unti nang kumukulo ang ating strawberry mixture. Haluin muli ng dahan-dahan. Ayan, foamy na ang ating mixture. So, yan yung indication na unti-unti nang naluluto ang ating strawberry jam. At kapag nag-umpisa ng bumaba ang foam o wala ng foam sa strawberry, ito ay luto na. Trivia muna tayo mga ka-text. Strawberry are packed with vitamins, fiber, and high level of antioxidants. Fat-free, cholesterol-free, and low in calorie fruit. We're done! It looks so yummy and so sweet. Our strawberry jam. By the way, strawberry farm in the Philippines is located in La Trinidad, Benguet, in Baguio. Wherein we can pick fresh strawberries at the strawberry farm. At the same time, when you go there, you can support the livelihood of local farmers and taste the sweetest strawberries. You can try cooking this at home. Napakasimple lang at napakadali. At siguradong mas makakamura kayo kaysa bibili kayo ng jam sa groceries. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching these videos, mga kateks. Please click subscribe, follow my YouTube channel, Teklay's Vlog. God bless us all. Keep well and be safe, everyone. Please click notification bell. See you on my next vlog.